Hello, this is Mark Haynes with Fly Rod Chronicles and Fly Fish Tie Flies, and tonight we are tying for you the tan mop fly. This is my minute tie version, so let's get started. The materials are black thread, tan mop fly material. We're tying this on a Trout Legend J hook size 10 with a Trout Legend tungsten slotted bead in stealth black. So you can see there what I did is I tied a nice thread dam on the front of that, kind of securing that bead forward so it doesn't slide back. Now we're going to put a nice thread base on that fly, cover up that shank nice. It really helps keep this fly secure. Once we get to that point, now we are going to go ahead and take the mop material and we're going to pinch off the ends of that, the extra material, until you start to see those 3, 4, depends on the type of mop material you have, individual threads. We're going to take those individual threads and tie them on and kind of pinch them forward a little bit and get it good and secure. Now take your thread and put it back on the shank where you took it. Pull your mop back down, put about a half a dozen secure solid wraps on that, bring your thread back up to the front. Now we're going to put the collar, and for the collar we're going to use Peacock ice dub. Just go ahead and dub on a nice thick collar of that ice dub. Wrap that on there. Have that half hitch. Couple whip finishes. And that's all there is to it. That's the quick and easy, like I call it, my minute version. If I'm tying them, production, I get all my stuff set up, time in about a minute. These flies catch fish, you definitely want some. If you don't want to tie it, you want to get the fly, go ahead and check out the Fly Fish Tie store, and we'll have the link below where you can purchase these. Other than that, like, subscribe to videos. There'll be more of these coming in the coming weeks. Thank you.